Current composite manufacturing technologies are based on two main concepts: placing the fibers on surfaces, which is good for manufacturing shell-like structures, or putting the fibers through a mold, which works well for producing profiles. But what about 3D-like structures? Do you imagine manufacturing this part with existing methods? I am Mark Constantin, co-founder and CTO of REINFORCE3D, and I present you Delta, the first ever machine that performs a completely new manufacturing concept for the composite industry, the injection of continuous fibers. The first step is to manufacture a part with tubular cavities, which can be 3D designed in all directions if 3D printing technologies are used. Then you plug the part into the injector and the machine starts injecting the continuous fibers simultaneously, like it resin, inside the tubular cavities. This satellite structure is made from two highly optimized 3D printed parts, one in polyamide and the other in aluminum. Both parts are reinforced and integrally joined by injecting the continuous carbon fibers, following optimal trajectories through them, from end to end. Thanks to this, we have demonstrated to achieve a 70% of weight reduction, important factor for different sectors such as aerospace, automotive, sporting goods, or naval industry. Let's go beyond shell-like structures.